Okay, today we're going to talk about, let's talk about Anthony Morrison and the Partner with Anthony program. This man has opened this program up to, of course, he likes to make money, but he also wants to help us and partner with us and give us an opportunity to sell not only his products, but any products we want. We learn through him and gain his knowledge and his skill levels, and we produce results. And the program does produce results in people. You have to stay with it. You're not going to make a fortune overnight, but you're not going to with any program. Everybody, Anthony's, he's very emphatic. The only way that you're going to succeed is you have to do the work. You have to get up. You have to go over to your computer. You have to put videos out. You have to train. You're going to have to place ads. You can get the best organic traffic you can, but if you want to move faster, you're going to have to place some ads. And you don't have to start with thousands of dollars. You can do $5 a day just to test some ads on Facebook. You know, who knows? $5 one day may get you $1,000 for that day. So, you know, it's a good program. You should hang in there. Just go through all the lessons. You know, it's $7 a month, or you can just buy it for $97. If you buy it for $97, you just go on through the course. It doesn't matter about any of the other upsells. You just keep working through the course and you gain the knowledge. The upsells are a plus. So just enjoy it. Thank you. Thank you very much.